This is the best fidget in the world. I love my avocado dimple. It's the best fidget in the whole universe. Ew, what's that fidget over there? I'm gonna go up to her. Hey, just so you know, this fidget I have in my hand is way better than that one over there. Ew, no, yours sucks. All you can do is spin it. Oh yeah? Well, let's do a challenge. Whoever brings back the best fidget off these wins. Bet, bring it on. Guys, I just got my magical symbol dimple and I don't know who to use it on. Oh my gosh, is that two people arguing? I've got an idea. Hey, what's your dream fidget? My dream fidget is a multicolored pineapple poppet. I wish for a multicolored pineapple poppet. Okay, and yours? My dream fidget is a hard shell apple dimple. I wish for a hard shell apple dimple. Okay, girls, whoever wins the bet gets these two. Oh my gosh, no way, deal. Deal. Haven't found anyone yet. Oh my gosh, guys, look at those two animal dimples. I'm gonna try to trade her. Hi, can I please offer? Oh my gosh, that's my dream fidget. You can take both of these. Jeez, already? Thank you so much. Guys, I just got two fidgets, and I bet you the other girl has none. Ugh, no one wants to trade me. I think I'm just gonna quit. Oh my gosh, guys, she has so many fidgets, and I think she's about to quit. I need to go up to her. Hey, I heard you're about to quit. Can I please have your fidgets? Just take them. I'm never collecting fidgets ever again. I don't know why I wasted a year on collecting all of these stuff. Although I'm gonna miss all of my fidgets, but you can just have them. No way, guys. I'm definitely winning. This was so easy, and I bet you the other girl has none. I'm getting no offers now. No wonder why the other girl quit. All of these fidgets are literally common. Let's just wait for some offers. There's no way that girl has my dream fidget. Hey, I will give you this for that. Is that even a deal? Heck no. Guys, everybody's just offering me bad fidgets. Is that a magical poppet? I've got the best idea ever. I think someone lost this because there's already a bubble popped. Let me touch the poppet so it can automatically be mine. Easy as that. Anyway, I'm gonna wish for so much fidgets and so much good fidget so that I can win this deal. I'm so much closer to my dream fidget. I know I can wish for my dream fidget myself, but I don't want to waste the pops because I already know I'm gonna win. I wish for the number one fidget in the whole market. No way, guys, I literally have the number one fidget. Can I please have a whole dimple collection? Oh my gosh. Well now I want dimple digits. Can I please have a dimple digit? A white one. Another white one. A black one. And another black one. What about mini ones? Whoa. Can I please have a classic dimple? A moon dimple? Whoa, 3? How about a superhero dimple? Let's hide this and go back to the girl. Hi, loser. I knew you were gonna lose. But how?